Dear students, in today's lecture we will discuss or we will talk about a bit about the professional ethics. Professional ethics can be defined as professional accepted standards of personal and business behaviors, values and guided principles. So first of all, we should be clear about what actually profession is. When describe about profession, we all know that all professions are occupations, but all occupations are not professions. This is because that profession relates with the job that have a group identity, such as medical is a profession, teaching is a profession, engineering, businessman and lots of other which are included in the profession. A profession basically shares the education and company or organization will give you specific training for that kind of profession to their staff and their new members to requirements for the admission. Profession also have some uncommon knowledge so that can benefit to their profession. For example, for the designer, internal creativity is more important. If there is no internal creativity, then a person cannot be considered a professional designer. Next is what actually professional is. Professional can be defined as a person who is engaged in certain activity or occupation. That engagement is not for the short period of time. That is basically who is engaged permanently to any activity. For example, a profession of doctor, engineer, lawyer and architect. These are the professions in which person is continuously involved throughout their life. The term is also applied to the nurses, accountants, educators because they are also continuously or permanently doing that thing as their career. So professional is someone that possesses specialized knowledge and skills, and they also belongs to by the standards of society and serve an important aspect in the public good. So next we will talk about ethics. Ethics are commonly related to the moral principles or guidelines that governs a person's behavior or conducting of any kind of activities. In general, ethics known as the branch of knowledge that deals with moral principles, and it is also a framework that permits professionals to assert their independence of their nominal employees in the name of service to others. So there are different components for the professional ethics. First component is honesty. Honesty is very important component in the professional ethics. It means being trustworthy, being loyal and fair and sincere to their profession. If a person is not sincere or honest with the professional, then that is against the professional ethics. Second important component is integrity in their work. Integrity is a concept of consistency of actions, values, methods and principles, exceptions and outcomes. So integrity is very important as the honesty is important. Next is positive feeling, which is also very important component of professional ethics, that you should be very positive towards your profession and towards your colleagues or towards your members, and you should regard their specific feelings of regard for the actual qualities of the one respected. So rude conduct is usually considered to indicate a lack of respect, disrespect, whereas actions that honor somebody or something indicate respects. So next is the transparency. Transparency is used in science, engineer, business and humanities, and also used for the professional ethics. Transparency is operating in such a way that it is easy for others to see what actions are performed, and this is also very important component in the professional ethics. Thank you.